Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop Pro 7 Setup Easy Mesh Wi-Fi Guide. Step 1. Unbox the Velop Pro 7, take out all the mesh nodes, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. Make sure everything is included before you begin. Step 2. Connect the main node. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the main Velop Pro 7 node to your modem. Then plug it into a power outlet. Step 3. Wait for the LED light, allow the node to fully boot up. Wait until the LED indicates it is ready for setup before continuing. Step 4. Install the Linksys app. Download the Linksys app on your Android or iPhone. Sign in or create a Linksys account if needed. Step 5. Start the setup wizard. Open the app, tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network, and follow the on-screen instructions to detect your Velop Pro 7. Step 6. Create your Wi-Fi network. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and a strong password. Save the settings to create your new wireless network. Step 7. Add extra mesh nodes. Place the additional nodes around your home. Use the app to add them so they join the same mesh network automatically. Step 8. Find the best node locations. Keep each node in an open area and about 1 or 2 rooms away from the previous node for better coverage. Step 9. Connect your devices. Join your phones, laptops, TVs, and smart home devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the password you created. Step 10. Test and optimize the network. Walk around your home and check the signal strength. If needed, move a node slightly or update the firmware through the Linksys app for the best performance. Thanks for watching.